Bugun 14 noyabrda nima 5-yil paxta ko'rtumonida 2-maktabda krasota albatlari seminar darsda o'tdi va bu seminarda Filippindan kelgan ustozlarimiz olib borishda juda ham faol olib borishdi.
Motivation, yeah. Lack of motivation, lack of interest, lack of priority. Yeah, priority. Yes. What else? Anything else? Other weaknesses? Do we have more weaknesses?
Microphone.
Technologia. No more? Having none? Let's have a recap. So the weaknesses that we identified were time management skills, lack of motivation, both students and teachers, students' behavior, confidence on the part of the teachers, lack of technology, no English atmosphere, and too many levels, too many sections maybe. Okay, now we go to opportunities. As you know, these strengths and weaknesses are side by side because these strengths will be used to litigate the weaknesses. Do you understand? We will use our strengths to solve or to overcome. Culture, I will write culture. Cultural exchange. Cultural exchange available because there are a lot of foreigners going in and out of the country nowadays, right? Recently in 2024, there were 1 million?
No, right now it's 9 million.
9 million foreigners in Uzbekistan. Clap that. Yeah, it's a good opportunity. Anyone?
Internationalization.
Yeah, it's an effort of the government towards internal. Yes.
What are those?
Partnership. Okay. Linkages, partnership. What else? Thank you, teacher. Good one. Wow. Nice analysis, huh? Okay. So lack of technology can be... Yeah. Anyone? Don't